Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Trishita Reads. I am Trishita, and in today's video I will be selecting my TBR for the third week of December. If you don't know, I am reading 31 books in 31 days, and if you want to follow along my journey, I have already finished reading one book every single day for the past 2 weeks. I will be attaching the video links here so that you can go and check it out if you're interested, which I will really appreciate. I only have these books left in my physical TBR for the month of December. These belong to my fall TBR, and these are the new physical copies that I got. So I will be selecting from these books. This pile mostly has romance novels, and this pile mostly has fantasies and thrillers. The last week was a good one because I read a lot of romances. I read some very good books. Keeping in mind that I read a lot of romances last week, I will be selecting majority of the books from this pile so that I can change my genre for this week and do not get overwhelmed with romances this week. So I will be definitely selecting 4 books from this pile, and I will be selecting 2 books from this pile, and the remaining 1 book will be an ebook that I will read on my Kindle. I will choose that book in the end. So without any further ado, let's start with this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Among all of these 5 books, I am selecting 4, and I am leaving this book behind because this seems to be the thickest one in this pile. So let's see what are the 4 books that I will be reading in the third week of December. Let's start with this one. Let's see what we got. What is it? Oh, it's The Iron Raven by Julie Kagawa. This is a fantasy novel, so I am a little scared, but this is a thin book, so also I am a little bit hopeful that I will be finishing this book in one day. But the only problem with this book is the font size. It is very small. However, I think I can get my hands on the audiobook, so that is not much of an issue. The legends are many, but the truth will now be told. Seems very interesting. I will tell you guys more about this book in the reading vlog, so stay tuned for that. Now let's select another one and see what book I get. We have the first book in the Shatter Me series, and I am, to be very honest guys, very excited to read this book. But also we have 2 fantasies in my TBR now. I'm scared, definitely, but Shatter Me's font size is very big, so I think I'll be able to finish this book within one day. And also I am a little bit scared because this is a very hyped book. Let's see what's gonna happen. Very excited and very scared at the same time. My touch is lethal. My touch is power. The third book for the third week of December, we have it is The Divine Rivals by Rebecca Ross, another fantasy. Now I am very scared. No god, no creature, no war can come between them. Interesting, very interesting. Excited, not gonna lie, because I am hearing about this book a lot. But also at the same time, I am very scared because I have 3 fantasies in my TBR now. I don't know how I'm gonna manage this, but I do need to pick a few romances to balance this out. Now to the last book from my fall TBR for the third week of December. Let's see what do we have here. We have okay. Here's to my first ever, like ever, Stephen King novel, Misery by Stephen King. Finally. I was literally counting days for this book to come when I was wrapping my fall TBR, and it is finally here. And this is the perfect book that I really wanted, keeping in mind that I have a lot of fantasies to cover. So definitely I am very excited to read a horror thriller. And Stephen King is a writer that everybody adores. He's a very famous writer. And also I am very happy that I am finally getting a chance to read his work. I cannot wait to share my thoughts about this book with you guys. Now I'm very excited. He is a famous writer. She is his #1 fan. Interesting. Now that we are done with all of the 4 books from my fall TBR, let's select 2 from this pile, and I am going for the thinnest 2 books. So the first book that I'm going for is this one, which is quite thin, and I think either this one or this one are the thinnest books from this pile. Okay, I'm going with this one. Let me grab my scissors because I want to recycle these papers for future purposes, so I don't want to tear them. Hold on a sec. Let's open this one first. I have a special kind of background music going on. Do not mind, guys. This is the season of weddings. Let's open this book and see what we have. The Do-Over by Lim Painter. Interesting. I am sure, 100% sure that I will be flying through this book. This is a very thin book, plus the font size of this book is really big. So I'm very excited, one, and I'm absolutely sure that this will be a very good breather when it comes to my very hectic TBR for this week. Now, coming to the last physical book that I will be reading in this week, we have Interesting. We have Ghosts by Dolly Alderton, and this book was kindly sent to me by Penguin India a few months ago. So this will be a reread because I absolutely loved reading Ghosts before. So I cannot even wait to dive into this book again. And I think this is the best way I can end my physical TBR for this week. Now that we are done with all of my physical TBR books, I will select one book from my Kindle. Absolutely for sure this book will be a romance. So let me go and check my Kindle gallery and select one book. I'll join you guys in a few minutes. This is the season of Christmas, and how can I not read a Christmas romance? So I have decided that I will be reading Santa Overboard by Caroline McBride. This is available in Kindle Unlimited, and I also got the advanced reader copy of this book on NetGalley. Just look at the cute and funny cover of this book. So definitely this is going to be a rom-com, and this book is perfect for the Christmas season. So I am absolutely very excited to read this book. And also on the other hand, I'm also very skeptical because I have not read anything by this author. This will be my first Christmassy romance book that I will be reading in December only. So wish me luck for that. So here are all of the physical books that I will be reading in the month of December, and this is the book that I will be reading on my Kindle. And I sincerely hope that you are enjoying watching this challenge. If you are, then go and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video with the reading vlog. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.